CBS 3 Duluth WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
Cooler air is coming to call, and that sets us up for a frost advisory for all the zones here in our region. Aitkin County, if you're catching our signal out that neck of the woods, you're off the hook, but for the rest of us, it's going to be a bit on the chilly side, to be polite. Low temps dropping into the 30s across the board. Closest to the freezing mark, 32, will be found from the Iron Ranges up towards border country. And the South Shore will be a little bit brisk as well, so their southern latitude isn't going to help out much this time around. There's a slight chance that come Sunday morning we may still face a little frost, but next week, as a big warm spell comes around, we'll probably forget about frost and cooler temperatures, and we'll probably start worrying about things being too humid. That's just the way it goes for us once in a while. Current conditions at the airport in Duluth, 60 degrees, so the cool down's coming, 39% for the relative humidity, and an easterly, southeasterly winds going 10 miles per hour. I think the winds will stay easterly at least through Saturday, so that could make things even cooler by the lake. So what we're getting at then is morning starts tomorrow in the 30s, afternoon finish in the 60s away from the lake, but only 50s right by the lake. Very similar setup to the temperatures we're seeing right now. 57 to 61 in the Upper Peninsula, 61 to 64 degrees here in northern Wisconsin. 68 degrees Moose Lake, maybe one of the warmer temperatures we see in just a little while here, and it's as cool as 45 right by the lake in Grand Marais, upper 50s towards Silver Bay, low 60s Vermilion Range, low to mid 60s on the Mesabi, up towards border country, low 60s there as well. Again, low temps tonight, north, about 35 degrees. South Shore could be pretty close to that as well. Farther inland, a little bit warmer, where we don't have that easterly wind affecting things here, upper 30s. So gardeners beware. Doppler map right now shows things on the calmer side because that low from yesterday's leaving, and the cool high pressure is sliding in to dominate the upper Midwest through the weekend. So if the normal high temp is around 70, we'll be undercutting that for both Saturday and Sunday. But as early as Monday, things start to change the other direction. The high fades away, withdraws back up to the north after it loses its oomph. And then the slower pressure system pulls in warmer air beginning on Monday, which by Tuesday, Wednesday could culminate again in 80s for a lot of towns. And in Wisconsin, the lower 90s again, not out of the question. And the low will bring a couple of rain chances, but they're not fantastic ones. I'll show them to you anyway, though, here with the 7-day forecast, just in case they do pay off. Tonight in Minnesota, clear and cool. Low temps about 35 inland to 40, 41 right by the lake. In Wisconsin and Michigan, 35 by the lake, especially over towards Ashland and Ironwood, and perhaps as warm as 38 in Superior. Split the difference, 37 towards Cable and Hayward. Clear and cool there as well. Then sunny tomorrow, high temps 60 by the lake to perhaps 69 inland in Wisconsin and the UP. And for Minnesotans, look for 50s by the lake from that easterly wind. Mid to maybe upper 60s farther inland. And then it slowly starts to creep up temperature-wise. Sunday maybe 67 degrees. Monday 74 with clouds increasing as that low comes in from the west. And that gives us 40 to 60% chances for showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and Wednesday, Kristen. 83 to 84 degrees even here at the head of the lakes, at least over the hill. And that's why I'm thinking places like Hayward again could crack 90 degrees just like they did last week.
Wow. Yeah, that would be a hot day for sure. You know, the cooler temps this weekend, I don't mind it if there's some sunshine.
Nature's sound out. We have it cool a couple days, then we warm up, go back down.
Exactly.
Don't even have to jump in the lake.
I love it. Thanks, Dave. After